Hi, good morning guys. It is Monday, August 12th, and I'm at the new house in one of the spare rooms waiting for the carpet installers to get here. They are supposed to be installing between 9 and 10 is what I was told, and it's 8:46. So hopefully they will show up soon and we'll get this going. They're gonna go do the carpet in the other rooms where the trim is actually done, and I'm gonna be in here in this side of the house taping trim to start, and the floor to start painting the trim and walls in these rooms. So that's what we're working on today. Hopefully we'll be able to give you a good shot of the carpet today. I'm really excited, so let's go. Okay guys, the carpet people just left and I'm so excited. It looks so good. Here is the living room, office, hallway, master. They finished all of it. And obviously we haven't finished our painting yet, so we gotta do that. But I mean, this look is the closest thing because we're painting it a white color, so that is gonna look so good when it's all done. I mean, this looks good too. We could have left this, but the paint needed replaced, so it's gonna look really nice. And then here is the master, and they did do the master closet as well. So I feel like it's kind of hard to tell the difference of what's in here now that this is the old carpet's out. Like I'm like, what did it look like before? I can't remember, but this is definitely lighter than what was here before, and obviously way more clean. So that's the big part. We put down an 8-inch pad with a moisture barrier, which is like the premium option that they had, and it's gonna be nice because the pad before was like, I think only a 4 or a 5-inch pound pad, maybe 6, but it was not an 8-pound, I can't remember. But no moisture barrier, and so this is, it's like a lot more plush on your feet and just really, really like nice. I don't know. It's just, it's like a creamy white. It's kind of hard to tell, but maybe you can see that. It's like a creamy white with some brown. Okay, I don't want to call it brown, probably like more like a taupe. And I'm just so excited for the walls to be white, and this whole room is gonna get so much brighter. Just not excited to have to paint like this tall space, especially above the windows. Oh, that's gonna suck. But I'm in here painting right now. I'll show you guys what I have done. So this is just a swatch I did, and this is the wall color and this is the trim color. I probably sound like a crazy person because there's not a huge difference, but there really is, I promise. So this is a lot stark, like more stark bright white, and then this is like a couple shades lighter. And so like that's the difference of the old versus the new color. It's looking a lot more bright. I'll show you the, here is the, I gotta go in like natural lighting, just a second. So this X, that's Cotton Cloud, that's the trim, and then this is Tahiti Vanilla, which is the wall color. So it is different when it's all up. So there you go, you can see it in the natural light. Once it's all up, it's gonna look like more dark and brighter, so you guys can see like the color, the paint will be darker once it's on the whole wall. You'll see it. There is a difference between the trim, but it is going to be light for sure, and it's going to hopefully brighten this whole space up. I'm excited to get rid of that dark brown wall, like really excited. I want to do it right now actually. So I'm gonna go and keep painting. I don't know how much painting footage I'm gonna get. I did a bunch in the kitchen of me taping and things. I'll see what I can do. My batteries are dying on me quick and my card's gonna get full soon. So if I check in later and you didn't see what I was doing, I apologize, but I got lots of walls to paint, and I'm sure you don't want to see me paint every wall in this house or you'd have like hours of me. So talk to you guys later. on the floor because I am so stinking exhausted. We were able to get all of that done. Sorry, I'm just popping myself down. I was able to get that wall and like most of the kitchen its first coat. It obviously needs a second coat, but my arms hurt so bad. Oh, this carpet's so comfy. We slept like 5 hours this night, so my body's starting to give out on me. But I'm hoping my goal as of right now is to, sorry about this, is to try to get the kitchen and the entryway its second coat tonight and have that done and then move into the other rooms. So I gotta get started on that again. So bye. Hi guys, it is Monday night and I'm in the house. Brandon's on call, so he had to leave. I'll go back here where it's brighter, sorry. But I'm in the hallway between the office and the master, and I'm gonna call tonight. My arms hurt so freaking bad. And after having a long conversation with my mom and with Brandon, I think that we are gonna try to call in for backup and see. There's a local guy who does painting. I'm gonna see if he can come out and see how much he charges, hoping that it's not ridiculous, because honestly we can't afford to spend that much. But even if he could come out and do, I'm hoping, like, you know, deal with this situation, having to paint the high ceilings, and then same thing in here and in here, that would save me a lot of hassle. And basically I was just gonna see if how much it would cost for him to do the painting on, sorry, I keep going in the office where it's dark, do the painting on the side where they just replaced the carpets. And we did the bottom trim, so that's done. All they gotta do is like the actual walls, but it's still gonna take a little bit. So I'm gonna call tomorrow and see if they can give us a bid for that, come out and look at it and see how quickly they can get it done. I'm hoping, like, if they can do it, that they could do it like this week or this weekend, early next week, and then Brandon and I could finish out the other 2 bedrooms and the kitchen and the foyer and the laundry room and the bathroom over there. So basically they would do half and we would do half, and hopefully that would save us some money. And we'll see, maybe it's not that as expensive as I'm thinking and they could do the whole house, but honestly it all depends on how expensive it is. So that's my check-in for tonight. I am gonna go ahead and pack up and go home, but I just wanted to sorry, there's a bug that keeps hitting the light and I keep hearing it, but I wanted to check in and kind of report on what was going on today. So still painting, you know, did a second coat in there. You can't really tell, but I did a second coat in there and it's looking a lot better. But I'm already exhausted and I've only done like 2 rooms. So calling in for backups already. So wish me luck tomorrow, guys.